With VisionLink Productivity, you have the data at your fingertips to make important decisions about your job site. Do I have the right number of machines to support the production levels that I'm looking for? Are my machines working at the most efficient level? Do I have too much idle time? Do I need to increase the size of my loading tool because I've got bunching of haul trucks in the loading area? All of this data and much more can be seen in an easy to use, easy to understand visual online platform. After configuring your job site in VisionLink Productivity, you can also set up a number of reports that deliver the data you need straight into your inbox. Shift summary reports, runtime reports, insights reports for production and utilization that will give you cycle by cycle data. It's the data that you need right at your fingertips. To find out more about VisionLink Productivity, visit cat.com or contact your local CAT dealer.